Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have Excel open and the sheet visible. Now start. Move the active cell into any cell on the row you want removed, because deletion acts on the selection. Once positioned, press Shift plus space to select the entire row. This is faster and safer than guessing. You need the whole row selected so subsequent keyboard commands remove the correct content. Make sure the row highlight spans all columns and pause to confirm before proceeding to deletion. Once the row is highlighted, press Ctrl plus minus to trigger deletion. This is the quickest keyboard route. If Excel shows a delete dialog, press R or Enter to pick entire row, because Excel sometimes asks when only a single cell was selected. Using this keyboard flow ensures you remove the right structure instead of clearing cell contents. Make sure no important filters or frozen panes hide rows, because deletion applies to visible and hidden rows alike, which can shift data unexpectedly. After deletion, look over nearby rows to ensure formulas and references adjusted as expected. Deletion can change row numbers. If you accidentally removed the wrong row, press Ctrl plus Z right away to restore it. Excel's undo is your fastest safety valve. If Excel prevented deletion because of merged cells, unmerge them first with Ctrl plus 1 then alignment, or use the home ribbon to unmerge. Then repeat the Shift plus space and Ctrl plus minus flow. One key troubleshooting tip: if rows seem to vanish, check filters, clear them to reveal hidden rows.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.